Alright, let's look at the homework 5.4, problem number 8. Alright, so we have this table given, and we want to use left sum with n equals 10 to estimate the combined area of both parcels. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I'm too lazy, so I'm gonna just bring up the GeoGebra. Alright, so we're gonna use the left sum. Right, so right, this is going to be parentheses. So for the first interval between 0 and 100, we're gonna use the left sum, so 0. Right, and next one is 182 plus 228 plus 237 plus 255 plus 284 plus 324 plus 384 plus and or actually I think I messed it up. Alright, 284 385, right? And the next one is 449 and plus 493. Alright, so did I do that correctly? Let's see. 493, 449, and 385, 324, 255. Alright, so 284, 255, 237, 228, and 182. Alright, so we got that. And the delta x in this case 100. So hit enter. Alright, so we got that. So 2837 283700. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, part B, calculate the error bound for the above estimate. Okay, so error bound is going to be, alright, the difference between, maybe I have to get GeoGebra. Difference between 550 and 0, so maybe I'll just say 550, and it really doesn't change anything about the minus 0, and multiply by delta x, which is 100. So this is 55,000. Alright, check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, last one. How many subdivisions of the baseline would be required so that the error bounding card using ln would not exceed 2500? Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so error bound is, again, we can say between 0 and 550, so 550 minus 0. Then you have, let's see, 0 to 1000, so b minus a is 1000 minus a is 0, right? So you can see that this is, you can think of this as b, and you can think of this as a. So this is the function h of b, and this is h of a, right? So b minus a over n, right? So we want this to be less than equal to 2500, right? So let's do that. So this is 550 times 1000, so it's going to be 550 and the 3 more zeros over n, and is less than 250, right? Since we're looking at 2500, alright, since we're looking for n, we take the reciprocal of both sides. Then we have n over 550,000 is less than or equal to 1 over, actually I messed that up, it's actually not so fast, 2500. Since we took the reciprocal, we have to change the direction of inequality, right? Then we can multiply through by 550,000. So that way n is greater than or equal to 550,000 over 2,500. Alright, so that's what? Alright, so at least we can strike out the zeros. Alright, so let's say 55,000 over 25. So it's going to be, we can squeeze 2, 0. Alright, so it's 220. So we need to have at least a 220. Right, so let's type it in. Right here, we need 220. Right, check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.